Take 2. So I've got all the bolts in place, just hand tight, but they're all in there. And there are 9 that hold this valve cover on. I think in part 1 I mentioned there were about 11. I was just kind of guessing there are actually just 9. So again, kind of an easy procedure, both removal and in terms of putting it back on. I've got them in hand tight. Now I need to torque them, and I'm going to do that in a very specific pattern. And so you start with up here with what Toyota calls the number 1 bolt. And so kind of coming out here again, we start with 1 and then 2 down here under the number 2 spark plug, and then 3 right here under the number 3 spark plug. And then we go up here, and that's 4, and then right down below is 5. And then we come way over here up top, that's 6. And then we zoom back down here, and that is 7. And then you go up to 8 and finish down there with 9. So a crisscross pattern, kind of working your way out and doing the ends last. And these actually don't get torqued that heavily. It says 69 inch-pounds. That works out to 5.75 foot-pounds. If you don't happen to have a torque wrench that measures in inch-pounds, if you just divide 69 by 12, you get the foot-pound equivalent. Not all torque wrenches will go down that low. Even some inch-pound torque wrenches don't go down that low. I actually have a torque wrench that goes all the way down to 5 in terms of foot-pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up to approximately 6 foot-pounds, which is what the 69 inch-pounds works out to in terms of the conversion, and that will finish up this job.